It only takes one click.
One click to lose years of progress, your skins, your friend list, your entire gaming life. And the scariest part? You'd never even know it happened until it's too late.
And here's how it actually happens. The everyday tactics behind stolen accounts.
Phishing is still the main attack vector, with the number of phishing emails sent daily hitting 3.4 billion and 91% of attacks starting with an email. With the adoption of AI, it's now even easier to send a perfectly crafted phishing email. It feels urgent. It wants you to move fast. These types of attacks have increased. These are emails that don't contain a payload but rely on panic, not passwords. But if you were to click on a link, this is how easy it is to obtain information. Think, then click. Second, the free mod. It installs a helper, opens a hidden process, and phones home. It's not a mod, it's a mule. Your frames stay smooth, but your account doesn't. Only use trusted mod sites. Scan downloads, no cracks. Third, social trust. It's not a stranger, it's your friend, but their account's been compromised. If it pushes you to log in, it's pushing you off a cliff. Assume the link is bait, verify on voice, ask a question only your friend would know. Finally, credential stuffing. Leaked logins from old breaches. Tested automatically on gaming platforms. Reused passwords are instant wins. This isn't guessing, it's recycling. Unique password plus two-factor authentication turns this from easy to empty. Don't reuse passwords. This is a simple step that many people miss.
So here's something that many of you might not know about me. I also work in cybersecurity alongside building and repairing PCs and laptops. And one trend that I have noticed from attackers attacking billion-dollar industries is they use the same tactics, but us gamers are making it much easier. You don't need to be a hacker to think like one. You just need to be somebody who doesn't trust easy clicks. So how can you defend against these types of attacks? Well, it's very easy. There are a simple few steps that you can take to protect yourselves against attackers and make sure that the hackers don't win.
Turn on two-factor authentication. SteamGuard, Epic, Battle.net, they all have it. One extra code from your phone makes it 10 times harder for anyone to break in, even if they steal your password. 2FA blocks 99% of automated attacks. Next, stop reusing the same password everywhere. I get it, remembering 50 passwords sucks, but it doesn't have to be hard. That's why I use a password manager. It creates and stores strong passwords for you, so even if the account gets hit, the others stay safe. I cannot tell you how important this one is. Password reuse equals the #1 reason for stolen accounts. Third, the oldest trick in the book, but still one that's widely used. Email attacks. Hackers don't need malware when they can get you to click it yourself. Ask yourself, do I know this person and address? Anything that screams urgent, verify now, suspended account, stop and check the sender's address. Hover over the link. If it feels off, it's off. You don't click your way out of an attack, you think your way out. Fourth, make your browser your first line of defense. Be picky about who can message you and never click random files from your friends. Attackers can use conversation hijacking to move you from more secure applications. Control your DMs.
So we started with one click that could take everything and ended with clicks that protect it. With a few simple steps, you're not the target anymore. You're the wall of defense. So, if this helped lock in your setup today, like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos. It costs you nothing and it helps me out massively. And tell me in the comments and be honest, are you still reusing the same password everywhere? Yes or no? And let me know, would you like more videos on cybersecurity? Pop it in the comments. Again, thanks ever so much for watching guys and take care.